Dallara is a typical small and medium enterprise, Italian one. We are around 200 people. Our business is to produce race cars and consultancy on the automotive area. We are doing now 93% of our business outside Italy and 7% in Italy. And 60% of our business is related to race cars. 40% of our business is on the consultancy side, to the big names that on the supercar areas. My biggest customer in Italy is Ferrari. Then we have Lamborghini, Maserati, Audi, Bugatti, all the names that are in the supercar areas. Our business now is really three things. One is design using carbon fiber. This is our specialty. The second thing is aerodynamics. And the third thing is simulation on the vehicle dynamic side. So these are the three areas where we work a lot as a company. On the design using carbon fiber, as you can imagine, simulation is used a lot for the structural things. And in the carbon fiber area, I think that we are really at a very good level, especially in the dynamic crash. That is something that is very complex to reproduce. In the aerodynamic area, we have the CFD capability as well wind tunnels. We own 2 wind tunnels up to 60% of the size of the car, and on the CFD area we have a lot of supercomputers, and we use all the CFD tools, including the Fluent tool that is the main one that we are using today. We had a lot of choices on the simulation area, especially in the aerodynamics area, and we have chosen Ansys, especially the Fluent suite, because we think that is the most advanced today and allow us to do all the simulation that we need and to have a correct link with the structural area as well to the simulation and the driving simulation area. So what is important, especially in the innovation today, is the connection, to see a car in a systemic way. And so it's not only important that you have a good software to do one thing, but how you are able to connect the results as well, the inputs to this tool, because at the end is a tool. And so openness of the tool is very important for us, and I have to say that Fluent is very well positioned to do this. Simple measurement to say why you have to use these simulation tools is, at the end of the story, the cost of the development and the performance. These are the simple 2 things that you have to keep in mind. And so you can measure it, and the return on investment for the next 25 years. Everything is now immediate. So performance related to cost, period. And so this is very easy to measure. And for example, in the last car that we have developed, we have committed to reduce the cost by 40% and to improve the performance. And we were able to do it only through the simulation, because otherwise, if you do in the normal way, you will never achieve this, because even if you reduce 5% on this cost, 10% on the other cost, you never achieve that 40% less with a better performance.